Okay, we're live here at the moment in Chex Beach. This is our beach. We own the beach. Oh, there you go, Mama. Doon ka na. Okay, honey. That's all of you.
Join us for a crabbing evening night on Friday.
There you go.
Our left touch. Last. 12.
Okay. That's it. It's close.
Hold on to your wing. Hold on to your man.
Smile. Smile. Yee! Cover it, Heather. Heather, cover it. Woo! Okay.
Ay, meron ka bang dala?
Okay. Happy Friday!
Cheers, friend!
Yeah. Wala na naman ako. Hirap naman ito. Daddy, you go with your Elsie. Aww. Okay. Yeah, like that, like that. Beautiful. Bigaon. Okay.
Good pictures, me.
First time here, how was it?
You like it? It's good.
Ah, there you go.
Sinabi niyo ba sa kanya yan?
It's time to eat dinuguan here. How you like it, honey?
Yes, really good.
How about you, Andres?
Umusong na kaya.
Okay. Okay. Nag-iisang crab. Ah! No! That's from Tita Anhe. Oh,
Yeah, look at this.
oh laluan. Woo!
You know?
Okay, ladies, nag-crazy na yung mga asawa niyo. Woo! Woo! Hey, I love it. Fish. We get a fish now here. Teddy got it. Teddy got it. Ready na mag-fashion show to.
Ilabas mo na yan.
Ilabas mo na. Ilabas mo na.
Ako magpapatalo.
Skindi, kayo dyan. Kayo dyan.
Kaya hindi na pinibenta ko.
You're not gonna swim? Malaganda mga